Hello everybody, Fakeaway Takeaway Wednesday. This one is nice and simple. It's not my recipe, this is a pinch and arm. So this is basically a low calorie Fakeaway Takeaway. Let me show you what we're going to do. So this is what I'm doing. Singapore fried rice. 15 minutes to prepare, and it took me roughly about that. And it takes 20 minutes to cook. 460 calories per serving. That's what it looks like. I did read it says 460 calories without the egg. So I'll probably have an egg on mine. Nat probably won't, but what I'll ask her anyway. So, this is everything I've got. Let me show you. I've got my chicken. I've got mini fillets, and I've sliced them even thinner. So they fry a lot quicker. I've got a pak choy, one of them, 3 shallots, 6 spring onions, and 1 medium carrot, thinly sliced. With the spring onions, I've took the greens off, and I'll probably use them as a little garnish on top or something. That's probably all I'll do instead of frying it all together. I've got some rice, just enough for the pan and us. 400ml of chicken stock, which is the rice is going to be cooked in. 1 tablespoon of hot curry sauce, hot curry powder, any one you want it says. Some soy sauce, some fish sauce, and I'm putting some oyster sauce in mine. It doesn't say oyster sauce, but I'm putting a bit of oyster sauce in mine. And some eggs. Oh, and some frozen peas, which have been out about 10 minutes to start to defrost. So first thing I want to do, I want to get my water in my pan, like so. My water, I mean my chicken stock. Get that in there. We'll get that boiling. Then we'll get the rice in, and that can do its thing for 15 minutes, and then it can just sit there. Right, chicken stock is boiling. I'm going to get my rice in. I have sieved it all out and everything. Give that one stir. So I do it as per packet instructions. There we go. Bring that to the boil, and then we'll simmer it. And in the meantime, we will get our pan on medium heat with some one spray. Oh, hopefully this is going to be nice. It looks nice, doesn't it? It does look nice. And simple as well. Now it's heated up. Let's get the chicken in. I've got the rice on simmering now. Want to do this for about 5 minutes or until it's cooked, and then we want to take it out. I must admit these pinch and arms recipes are quite nice. With this one though, there's no salt in this one. But I suppose once you put your soy sauce and all that in there and your curry powder, fry these up for 5 minutes then. Keep turning them, and that chicken's done. We'll get that out now. It's got to go back in a minute, so bit more one spray. Not cleaning the pan. Now get your shallots, pak choy, and your carrots and your spring onions in. And we want to cook them up for about 4 or 5 minutes. I haven't chopped them any smaller because I thought they look nice, quite big, and they're going to wilt down a bit anyway. And after 5 minutes we want to put a bit of hot curry powder in, or mild, whatever one you want to use. I forgot my peas. Get my peas in. I'll give that another minute, then I'll stick some curry powder in there. Now I'm going to put my curry powder in, and we're going to let it go for another 4 or 5 minutes. Stir it in, get it incorporated and that, I suppose. could have done it on my wok, couldn't I? Have been a lot quicker. But hey, some people ain't got a wok, have they? So now we want these cooked, these veg, but a bit of a crunchy taste. Bit of a crunch to Give that a few more minutes. It's been a few minutes now. I've just tried one of the carrots and tastes delicious. Now you want to get your chicken back in. I've got loads there, and I look at all this. And you want to get your rice, and I've done far too much rice again. I always do. I don't measure my rice, I just pile it in. Look at all that. Give it a mix first. I want soy sauce. 1.5. And half of them. 1 fish sauce. And I'm going to put a bit of oyster in mine as well. Why not? A bit of oyster. I do like this oyster sauce. It is really nice. I'm going to put a tablespoon of that in. Done. I'm probably in the way of the camera and everything. Give it all a mix. And then in about 5 minutes we're ready for a healthy meal. And I've got to do my egg yet. I'm making a mess though, look at me. Get it all covered over. But hey, it's rice in it, you know, it's... Bowl of goodness, look. Well, I'm going to give that about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to do an egg. Right guys, my egg's doing, that doesn't want an egg. There it is there. It does smell nice, doesn't look the best, but it smells nice. Let's get some in. A bowl. Do Well, there's one. Just get it in, eh? Be shy. Just watching me egg. Just watching me egg. There you go, put a little bit on for that. A little whatever like that. And I'm going to get my egg out. Well, there we go guys. They're not too bad. Don't know what it tastes like. And that's having a go. And that's in 2 minds. She's pulling her face, she's not sure. Are you, Bab?
I'm not sure.
She's not sure.
I'm not pulling her face, it's not nasty.
I think it smells nice. Heard mine. Don't look the best. I mean, it doesn't look as good as that one. Does it? But it's food, ain't it? You don't know, Bab. You don't know. You're missing something. You're missing something. Let's move that camera back a bit.
Sandwich stupid. It's dry.
Is it very dry? There's no sauce in it though.
That's what
I thought that.
That's what I think it is. It's dry.
Well, it is a stir fry. It's the first stir fry rice. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I know that. But I'm just saying it's dry.
Let me have a go.
Have a few mouthfuls and you'll see.
That's why, probably why they put an egg on it. That runny yolk.
I'm not ticking on egg. That's been moved.
Yeah, let's have a go anyway.
It's not nasty. It's just a bit dry. It's nice. It's just dry.
Well, we'll find out, okay?
Oh, you probably will, but I've got a dry mouth anyway. I'm finding it dry.
got no room to put my camera. Let me move that out of the way.
Everyone's different, everyone can't say, oh,
Yeah.
it's nice all the time.
Oh no, you can't, no.
Just not that keen. It's nice, but I could do with some sauce.
You fancy sauce with it?
Like some liquid.
Yeah.
If it had liquid,
Yeah.
it'd be
It's
really
like, yeah,
nice.
it's like a stir fried rice, isn't it?
Yeah, I understand
You know what I mean?
that.
It's not like a curry.
No, I
You get me?
understand that. But I'm
I
not,
know what you mean,
I'm
yeah.
not saying it's nasty, but I'm not saying I'm overly keen.
You're not overly keen on it.
I just think it's dry.
I think the chicken could do with a season. But it is
But it says what it
460 calories.
Excuse me.
It doesn't say salt and pepper, does it? Or did I miss that? No, it doesn't. Could do some salt, a bit of salt on the chicken.
Yeah, you have to follow the instructions, don't you? So.
Well, that's what I've done. Cut your egg open and see what it's like. Let me bring you down a bit if I
I
can.
hope I didn't offend you.
Offend me, you like it, you don't, do you? Offend me, I'm not bothered.
Everyone's different, aren't they?
Yeah. You're not offending me, Bab. I say it is a stir fry, you know, it's
Yeah.
not a...
Yeah, I get that. I don't know, maybe I'm just used to eating that.
No, you probably think if I put one of them, like, oh,
I know what you mean, a packet. A packet of that stuff.
one of them in or something, you'd be fine, wouldn't you?
Stir fry then,
Well, it is a stir fry sauce. So if you put one of them in, you'd probably be okay, wouldn't you?
I probably would be, yeah. Probably would.
I don't want it to follow the rest, but I'd have probably put one of them in or done some of my own if
If you was
I do myself.
If you was doing
Yeah.
it yourself, yeah, I'll get that.
But yeah, all in all, I'm quite happy with it. Move it back a bit. There you go.
Yeah, it's nice. It's not horrible, but it's very dry.
Oh well, there we go. Fakeaway Takeaway. Two different opinions. I quite like it. I could do with seasoning the chicken, but as I say, follow the instructions. And it is a low calorie one. 100 slimming home style recipes.
I like that. What's that?
Pak choy.
I like that. That's nice. I do like that.
Well, there we go anyway. Yeah. I'd do it again, but as Nat said, I'd probably put maybe one of them in. Put one of them in the last couple of minutes, couldn't you?
Do you find it dry or not?
No, I find it okay. I find it okay, I do. But I like rice like that, you know what I mean? I can eat like, I can go like the Chinese or something and buy a stir fry rice and just eat it out the box, you know what I mean? Where you can't, can you?
Yeah.
You couldn't just go and eat like an egg fried rice on its own, could you?
No.
And you like egg fried rice, you'd have to have it with a sauce, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
That's what Nat's trying to explain,
That's
I
what
think.
I'm trying to say. I can't get my words
You've got to
out.
have it with like a curry or something, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. But there we go. Anyway, I find it quite nice. But I'd say, I'd probably put, oops, look at me, I'm all over the place. I'd probably put one of them in just to give it that bit of extra, wouldn't you? I mean, what's the calories in them? Half a pack is 93 calories, so if you had another 100 calories on, I suppose. But then is it diet then, because it's the salts and the sugars and all in it? I don't know. I'm going to eat it anyway. I'm enjoying it. Till next time, as I say, Fakeaway Takeaway. Singapore fried rice. Yes from me, no from Nat. See you later.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
You're a not. Oh, you're
Not
a
no.
that.
It's not horrible.
You're a that.
It's just, I just want it dry.
You're a that then.
Yeah.
You're a middle.
Yeah.
That's a middle.
Not a no.
Okay. Right, then score it then.
Score it.
Out of 10. That'd be better, wouldn't it?
5.5.
5.5. Yeah. So you're in the middle, ain't you?
Yeah.
5's normal, ain't it?
5.5.
To get a 5, I'll probably get a 7.
So you're not far in front of me.
No. I would say it's nice, but it's not delicious.
It's different.
Do you know what I mean? But we wanted one of them, as I say. It'd be delicious, wouldn't it? I think. Just get that extra bit. So I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. I'll see you later. And it's only cheap to make. It's only cheap. Bye bye.